Hello and welcome to the Mayfield Renewables course on the critical updates for the 2023 National Electrical Code specific for our PV systems. In this class, we're going to take about an hour of time, go through what are some of the biggest updates in the 23 version of the code. So just kind of picked out the biggest, probably most impactful ones. Of course, as folks know, every 3 years, code is updated. This is not to say these are the only updates. These are not the only things that you need to worry about, but rather some of the big ones kind of caught our eye, and we're seeing as we are using 2023 code more and more, the ones that are, kind of having the biggest impact. If you look back the way 690.7 talks, 600 volts is limited for 1 and 2 family dwellings. Well, a multi-family dwelling is not a 1 and 2 family dwelling, so an apartment complex or something like that, we could have a 1,000 volt system using that. And this does not change that. So what this says is you cannot have circuits over 1,000 volts on those types of systems. So if there's on those types of buildings. So habitable rooms will make it that you cannot go over 1,000 volts. And then finally, it's this allowance. We're going to apply a little bit different ampacity value. So this is, again, this was missing in the 2020 code. It said, yes, you can use PV wires and cables and cable trays, but we still weren't quite sure how we were supposed to dictate what the ampacity was. And so here we have some very clear, specific rules on what those are.